Hi, my name's Peter. I'm going to show you how to set up your Cloudflare account today. So you can purchase a domain and add me as an admin to manage your site. You'll go to your browser, whichever you choose, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, doesn't matter. Go to type there to Google or so, type in Cloudflare, Cloudflare. You're going to see a little orange cloud with a white background and a circle. That is Cloudflare, so click on that. At the top right, you're going to see it says login. So click on login. And then again, either at the bottom here or at the top right once more, you'll click sign up. You're going to want to verify that you're human. Click verify you are human. And then here you get to choose whether you want to sign in with one of their partner accounts, like Google, Apple, or GitHub, or you can just do it the old-fashioned way by putting your email and password in here. We're going to do it this way here today. Keep in mind that if you do choose one of their partner accounts, you don't have a password at the beginning. You'll just be choosing to sign in through your partner account for the future. The only way you would actually get a password for yourself that you'd have to write down or something is if you clicked forgot password and then you entered your partner account email, and then they would verify that for you. So if you're going to do a password, you got to do at least 8 characters, 1 number, 1 special characters, and then click verify you're human again and sign up. Once you do that, they're going to send you an email. So you can just press down here at the bottom. It's going to want, it's just asking for their analytics. It's nothing to do with how it's going to manage your account. You can choose personal, professional, whatever. It doesn't matter. If you go through here, they're going to want to start asking you questions to like set things up and how you're going to use it. And they're going to start walking you through stuff. This is nothing that you really need to be concerning yourself with. So just at the very bottom, you're going to see skip, and you can just press skip, and that'll bring you to the account home here. So once you're here, you're going to go to your email first before you go any further, because it won't let you purchase domains. It won't let you add me as admin. It won't really let you do much until you confirm your email. So go to your email, and you're going to see a new email from Cloudflare. If you don't, check your spam or junk. You'll click on this email, and then the big orange button that says verify your email, you're going to click that button. Verify you are human again. Then log back in. I'm going to put it back on to mobile mode again for you. So are we looking at the same thing here? Once you're back in again, it's going to want to go through this process again. And like I said before, you can just press skip, and that'll be done with that time. At the top left now, when you're at your home page here, you're going to click the 3 lines. Now, you can do either or first, but here we're going to start with our domain, purchasing a domain. So we'll click on where it says domains. And when you click that, you'll see 3 options come down. You'll see overview, registrations, or transfers. Just click on overview. And again, once more at the top, you're going to see it says buy domain. So click on buy domain. And in the search bar here, this is the opportunity for you to search to see what domains are available and what TLD you want with that. TLD is the thing that comes after your domain, like .com, .net, .ca. They have a whole list of different TLDs here that you can choose from. So if you want to click on, if you want a different TLD from .com, you can absolutely look through the ones that they supply here. and choose whatever you want. If you want to do fuzzypeaches.beer, fuzzypeaches.bid.bike, whatever. So in this case, we're just going to do .com. So peterjreynolds.com. Search. And lovely, it's available. That's $10.46 per year. So you're going to click that purchase button there, and this is where you can choose how many years you want to purchase it for. It is set up on a subscription with an auto renew if you decide to do that, so it doesn't really matter whether you're choosing it. It's just some TLDs give you a deal if you go for longer, and it's also a little more secure if you choose to do it for, say, 5 years or so, because it doesn't have the that little chance of your card to neglect the next payment, or bounce, or your card to expire or something like that, and then your domain goes up for auction and some sneaky guy just come in and steal it from you. But other than that, if your card's up to date all the time, it'll automatically renew. You have nothing to worry about. So when you get onto there, you'll fill out the page here. If you have an auto filler, it gets a little buggy still a little bit here, so don't be skipping ahead to the ones that aren't filled in yet. Because this is red, even though it's here, it will be a little bit of a pain in the butt. So make sure, see, as soon as I clicked on it, it disappeared anyways. So make sure that you're doing it from the top of the red again here. Number's okay now. We go down to country. There we go. The rest is all good. Now, you'll click either PayPal or card. In most cases, people are choosing card. Exactly what I was just saying. See, it's a little bit finicky here. Here we go. You really want to, even though the autofill will go in there, you really kind of want to still fill them out and confirm one by one still anyways. Click on card, and then it's going to pop up with the option to have auto renewal automatically default selected. And if you haven't used link before in the past, it'll want you to fill out the credit card information here. You don't have to use link. You can press the 3 dots here and click pay without link, or it might just pop up like this for you if you don't have a link anyways. Enter your credit card number in there, expiry, your security code, select your country, and then it'll want your billing address. So put in your billing address, and then you can choose to put in a GST number or not. Not a requirement. Account type, personal or business, and then verify the address. Once you verify the address, it'll let you complete payment information. And once that's done, then it'll bring you back to the domains page. You'll get an email verification with your copy, your purchase, and that you've purchased the domain. Your domain will then pop up in this little window here. And it'll be blue. You'll be able to click on it, but do not click on that yet. Otherwise, all your options over here are going to change over. Right now, we're selected on our account at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back up to the 3 lines at the top left. And if you go down here, follow all the way to the bottom, you're going to see Manage Account. Click on that Manage Account, and the very first option at the top will say Members. Click on Members. This is where you're going to invite me as an admin to work on the site. So you're going to click Invite Members, blue dot button there, and then at the very top little section here, you're going to type in Peter at Peter Reynolds, REYNOLDS.dev. So at Peter at peterreynolds.dev. You'll click Add Peter at peterreynolds.dev. And then the next section below, you can leave your email there at that section, the drop down the same. Below that, you're going to see some options that says overall roles, analytics, and logs, add performance. You can ignore the ones below. You're just going to click at the very, very top one that says overall roles. Now, the third one down, the third toggle here is administration. So you're going to turn on administration. This gives me the ability to work on your account on the front end, the back end, set up email forwarding and routing, to set up bot scraping prevention, phishing prevention. It gives me pretty much full access to do all the editing and setting up with your website and your domains that we need to do. the top, it does give app options for me to change between subscriptions, but you're not going to have a subscription anyways. 99.9% of people don't need a subscription for Cloudflare, because those are for really big companies. So after that, you're just going to close up this drop down again. You're going to click create policy, and then you're going to press invite members. Once that's done, you'll see a little my email here, and we can see that I'm there now, and I'm going to get an email that I'll have to confirm. Now, if you're doing this from a computer instead, then it's going to be the same thing. You're going to go to Google or whatever web browser you're going to use. You're going to go Cloudflare. Click on that little orange icon up there, and it's going to bring you to their homepage here. You'll click login. Same process here, where you'll log in either with a partner account, or sorry, go to sign up first, and you'll sign up with either a partner account, or just type in your email there. In this case, I've already kind of exhausted all the emails I have, so I'm going to go to log in. The same process before is on your mobile, but this is just a little different looking setup. So once you're logged in, you're going to go to that left rail again up here. And on the left rail, you're going to click domains. You're going to click overview, and you'll click buy domain up here on the top right. Type in your domain in the search here, peterjreynolds.dev, and then you'll be able to purchase it again here. That's weird. It just went up a little. Oh, it's .dev. Okay, that's a little more. So we got that one set up there. And once you buy that, put your credit card information in, everything just like on the mobile. You'll go back over to the left rail again here. You'll go all the way down to the very bottom where it says manage account. You'll click on members at the top there. And here we can already see we've added myself here onto this account. And you'll be doing the same thing as before. You click on the invite members at the top there. And right here it says overall roles. You'll click on overall roles, and the third toggle down that says administrator. Turn that on, and then create policy, and make sure that you put that email there at the empty slot at the top. Then click, when you do this, make sure you do click the little recommendation that came up there, else it won't add. That'll add on, and then you'll click invite members. That'll send an email out to me. I'll be able to confirm that, and once that's done, then you'll see that it is active here on the site, and that gives me access to doing all the work that we'll have to do for your website. That's it. Thanks.